Bitcoin has moved on from the FTX saga. Yes or no? What do you think? So we're going to talk about in this video. There are definitely some experts out there, some people that I do respect that have an opinion on this. So we're going to talk about it. So that's really what this video is about. As always, thanks for your support. Learn more about ClearCryptos, links in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about has Bitcoin, and by the way, when I say Bitcoin, I really mean, quite frankly, the entire crypto market. Has it moved on from the FTX saga? Do we have more fallout coming from the FTX saga? And the short answer is we might. We might have more, but I think that the major damage is in, or rather been done. We know the big organizations, companies, sectors of crypto that have been impacted by this. Okay. And so I think the majority of the damage has been done. So this piece of content from watcher.guru, which is really good, by the way, has been kind of goes into a lot of the the pricing analysis and how it all played out. But really what it comes down to is, I think right here, this tweet from Michael Vanderpope, who really talks about the fact that Bitcoin dropped to 15.6 during FTX and is currently trading at 23,000. He says the bottom is in. Here's the thing. I tend to agree with Michael on one consideration. Now, yes, this video is about FTX, but there are other macro factors out there, i.e. inflation and the federal government's fighting of that via the interest rate hikes. I think that's more of a prevalent theme for Bitcoin. And again, when I say Bitcoin, I really mean all of crypto. Okay. So we are waiting until February 1st to see and find out what happens with the interest rate hikes coming from the Fed. And if that comes in line with expectations, then I think February will be good. And I think that, yeah, the bottom could be in already. We could have seen it at $15,600 for Bitcoin. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for your support of the ClearCryptos channel. Find out all and more and everything you need to know about CCX down in the links in the description below. We'll see you. Bye.